On Sunday, Bengals running back Jeremy Hill scored a 4-yard touchdown to put Cincinnati up 21-3 over the Steelers.
Let's celebrate!
How did he celebrate? By disrespecting the Terrible Towel. He chose poorly. Because disrespecting the Terrible Towel is not only wrong, but also
a curse.
Back in December 2005, Cincinnati wide receiver Housman thought it would be appropriate to wipe his feet with a towel after defeating the Steelers 38-31. But the Bengals ended up losing to Pittsburgh in the playoffs, and the Steelers went on to win the Super Bowl. In December 2008, Keith Bullock and Lendale White of the Titans thought it would be appropriate to step on and wipe their noses with the towel after beating the Steelers 31-14. Although Tennessee won the AFC South, they lost in the first round of the playoffs. Pittsburgh, on the other hand, well, they went on to win their 6th Super Bowl. Speaking of that Super Bowl, in a pregame send-off, the mayor of Phoenix brought the Cardinals mascot on stage. Big Red then used the towel to wipe his armpits, and the mayor used it to blow his nose. Arizona then lost, of course. Which brings me back to Sunday and Jeremy Hill. After Hill's hilarious display, the Steelers got the last laugh, outscoring Cincinnati 21-3, beating the Bengals for the second time this season and eliminating them from the playoffs.
Why?
In conclusion, don't disrespect the towel.